everybody, this is my first cooking video. There will be more expanded ones, but at the first video I thought, since it's getting closer to Valentine's Day, I thought we could learn how to make a quick recipe for your loved ones. Be right back. So I am back, and all the ingredients you will need is 2 slices of the bread they like, jam or Nutella, a slicer, and a knife. Make sure it's a butter knife so it's not sharp. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your jar. You're going to get 1 piece of bread and you're going to put the jam or the Nutella on the bread. Now make sure that you don't put too much, but you don't put too less of the jam on. So when you are finished, it should look a bit like this, about this much. So now what you're going to do, you're going to spread it around a bit, like so, and then you're going to put this slice of bread just on top without anything, okay? So now you're going to get your slicer and you're going to make sure that it's the sharp bit and not the soft bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to just squeeze. There we go. And look at that. So then you're going to do that again if there's any more space. So for me, I have like, I'm going to do this one more time. So squeeze. And there we go. Now, let's try not to waste bread, so if you have like a little bit more, try to do that. Squeeze, and there you go. So at the max, you should at least have about 3 pieces of heart-shaped bread. So what I would normally do, just to make it a bit more romantic, I would get a plate and a towel, and I would put them in this type of order. So like this, and like so. Your snack is now ready for your loved ones. Bye, see you next time.